little bit, getting in and out of the driveway.
What are you doing?
Across Wisconsin to St. Louis, Missouri on Jetskis. It's gonna take a while, and I need to have my phone charged.
When are they gonna be done?
I'm gonna button them up right now, and then you and me are hitting the lake.
Okay. We're doing that.
That was easy. I thought we were gonna have to convince him.
Me too. No.
I get 100 miles if I drive them nice.
So how the hell are you only bringing one gas tank? Oh, just a giant one? You need to play his hood shit.
It's CCR.
It's what?
You just want some fucking Juicy J, that's all.
Juicy J. What am I, 90?
Bands that make good dance.
There we go. Yeah, turn the music up.
Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Turn my music up.
I'm not dressed for this, but I don't care. This beats work.
This is work.
This is work. I forget that sometimes. And by the way, wheels, tires, suspension, customautos.com. So the yacht club, the only turn I'm nervous about is prospect. Besides that, I don't care. I got the rest of it. Come on, honey. Oh shit, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh shit, I messed it all up. I had her.
Dude, you were doing good.
Yeah, I had her. All right. I don't know how far to go. You don't even gotta get wet. Oh shit. This man gave me the a micro thing here.
All right, well, Dustin and I made it out on the water, but we didn't bring a videographer with us, so looks like we're punching out for the day.
Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking slow. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying, flashing, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate.
I ain't paying no attention. I'm just filming.
I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to tap it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on bombers. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost the stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I gotta rock it with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
That was a great shot, but I definitely sacrificed myself because I don't have a swimsuit on, but I'm wet. All right, see you at the landing.
Are we live?
Yep.
Are we live? What are you laughing at? What you gonna do? Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Are we good? Yeah. All right, so we are what's up? Come through, bro. Get in here. You see that? Get in here. Eat your beef stick, run through.
Can I get a Hoya?
Oh yeah. Anyway, so we are going to today, we're going to take the hitch that we have. We have other parts on the way. The Ridgeline is not nearly complete to where we want it, but we're going to take the hitch, we're going to put it on there, and what our goal is the Ridgeline's towing capacity is supposedly 5,000 pounds. We got a 7,500 pound hitch.
Just say that all again.
Why?
We got a 7,500 pound witch. She's a huge bitch.
Yeah, big witch, huge bitch. So we have a 7,500 pound hitch and we have a 5,000 pound towing capacity. So we're gonna put the hitch on the truck and then we're gonna hook up the car hauler, which is about 3,500 pounds in itself. So we should be able to see if this thing will out tow twice its capacity. Headlights are the most solid headlights on the market.
Dude, they're so fogged over.
We call them the...
This would actually look decent if it had cleared out headlights. Like black housing, cleared headlights with the fucking setup. It'd look good.
You would look decent if you didn't wear those clothes.
I'm wearing work apparel.
Okay.
Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee.
It gets hotter than Johnny's coochie. Damn. Yeah, he did. Oh my God. I'm too big to be moving like this.
Over there.
Where are you going, banker?
He's worried about the rust holes that we got underneath here. So what we got to do is put some anti-seize on here, but it gets awful messy.
Banker.
I'll fucking stab you.
Well, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee.
Where the sun
it
goes
gets
down.
hotter than a hoochie's coochie.
It doesn't say the torque specs.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Huh?
Really tight.
TIT tight, got it.
Yeah. 14 ooga-doogas.
Just hold it on there.
All right, listen.
I said that.
Our audience has been talking about safety, and I wanted to make sure I was safe. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Oh God. They're not going in. These bolts aren't meant for this truck. Does this have anything to do with the fact that it says it's for 2006 to 14 Ridgeline and we have a 2005?
Yep.
That's it, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Look at this is banker when it's 90 degrees out. So
yeah, that's 76 foot-pounds. We're fine. I want you guys to look at a very rare side of Junior working.
don't show my girlfriend though, because I'm not cleaning at home.
I told her I didn't know how to sweep. All right, so we're missing a screw on the hitch. So it was rated at 7,500 pounds. So I'm gonna go with 6,000 minus one screw. Everything's rusted. I think the 5,000 pound capacity was based on the fact that everything was not rusty. So what we'll do is I need Junior to move the wheel.
Forward and left.
Huh?
Forward and left.
3,500 pounds, check. It scrapes a little bit, getting in and out of the driveway.
Try.
No. We don't have a strap to tow it. We're not doing it with a chain again.
Go get a strap to this ass.
Did the F-350 break it? We're getting 0 miles per gallon. Junior, what's the issue?
He just goes away. He's over all of this. He just wants to be done. He wants to put it up as is, and if people shit on it, then we'll do another thing with it.
This is supposed to be one of the most reliable vehicles on the road, but again, we lost our power steering, not sure as to why, and I just wanted to look at it and see if they can't fix it by the showcase.
Which is in 4 days?
Which is in 4 days. But I was trying to get off the main roads, because we may or may not have forgot all the paperwork for the vehicle. How's it going? Good. We have a 2005 Ridgeline that we somehow blew the power steering on, so we're trying to get it fixed. Yeah, I mean, we babied it the whole time. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what happened.
Got some light reading for you.
First steps, first day of school, prom, graduation new Ridgeline, 14 wides, Honda graduate program. What is the towing capacity of the 2022 Ridgeline?
What is what?
The towing capacity of the
5,000 pounds.
5,000? Would you be impressed if I told you we towed 13,800 pounds with a Ridgeline?
Your car.
Hmm?
Hey, how far did you go with it?
Not far.
Yeah.
But it did
Well,
it.
I can tow anything from here just across the street. Well, I'm sure it will.
Are you sure?
Well, yeah.
It was hurt.
It was on the bump stops.
We bottomed her out.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
How far did you drive it?
Yeah. You know,
I was
I'm
curious.
amazed you're that bold to even try it.
The power steering blew out because of other factors.
Well, yeah.
Oh!
This is the most forceful water dispenser I've ever seen in my entire life. This is how you know you're at a Honda dealership. These are the chargers that they have available
For your 2005 Ridgeline.
for you to charge your phone. No USB-C, no lightning cable. Just 30 pin, ones that don't exist, and some USBs in case you happen to bring your own charger, which then you would just plug into the wall.
Good morning. It's surprisingly bright out for 5 a.m. We got the Cummins fired up. We're heading down to Joliet, Illinois, as I like to call it, Joylet, because it's gross there, other than one nice thing, which is Audubon Country Club. It's literally the nicest thing down there. We're going down, hanging out with Steve from the Hamilton Collection and the rest of the crew there, and then I'm told that I'm bringing back a McLaren. We're going to be loading that up in the trailer, getting it up here for the showcase. I'm working. I'm doing hard work. You're good. Hopefully this isn't terrible with the sun, but we have all the cars loaded. We are heading back to the shop.